Chapter 05 Kural 06. Welcome back to our enlightening journey through Thirukkural, the ancient Tamil literary masterpiece. In this episode, we explore Chapter 5, delving into the profound wisdom encapsulated in Kural 6. The only way to live is to live righteously. If you set aside virtues, what more is there to gain? Greetings to all our viewers. Today, we continue our exploration of Chapter 5 of Thirukkural, where Thirukkural sheds light on the significance of righteous living. Join us as we unravel the profound teachings of Thirukkural and understand the essence of leading a meaningful life guided by virtues. Chapter 5 of Thirukkural emphasizes the importance of righteous living as the only path to true fulfillment. Thirukkural reminds us that to live truly, we must embrace and uphold virtuous principles, for without them, we are left with emptiness and a lack of purpose. Let us delve into the profound teachings of this Kural and explore the significance of living a righteous life as envisioned by Thirukkural. Thirukkulal's wisdom teaches us that living righteously is not just a moral obligation but also the path to true happiness and fulfillment. When we set aside virtues and engage in actions that contradict our ethical principles, we lose sight of our higher purpose and find ourselves devoid of meaningful gains. Thirukkulal's teachings align our actions with virtues such as honesty, integrity, compassion, and fairness. By embracing these virtues, we not only enhance our own lives but also contribute to the well-being of society as a whole. Thirukkural Chapter 5, Kural 6, serves as a reminder that true gain and fulfillment come from living a life rooted in righteousness. When we prioritize virtues in our thoughts, words, and actions, we create a positive ripple effect that extends beyond ourselves and impacts the world around us. Thirukkulal's wisdom encourages us to reflect on our choices and strive to live in alignment with our virtues. By doing so, we open ourselves up to a life filled with purpose, contentment, and lasting gains that go beyond material possessions. As we contemplate Chapter 5, Kural 6, we are reminded of the profound significance of living righteously. Thirukkural guides us to embrace virtues as the foundation of a meaningful life, reminding us that actual gain lies in upholding principles that lead to our growth and the betterment of society. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey through Thirukkural. May the teachings of this ancient text inspire us to live righteously, embracing virtues that bring true fulfillment and lasting gains. Stay tuned for more captivating episodes as we unravel the timeless teachings of Thirukkural. Until next time, may your life be guided by righteous virtues, bringing abundant gains and profound fulfillment.